Hi, hello, good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn Unit 3, Our Nation. The name of the lesson is The Guardians of the Nation. Let us see the lesson now. Anandan and Yarini came home from school. After washing their face, hands, and legs, they sat down next to their father. Their father was watching the news on the television. There were 2 bowls of chickpea sundal. They ate and watched a ceremony where people were paying respect to a helmet on the top of a gun. So Anandan and Yarini came home from the school. After washing their face, hands and legs, they sat down together and watching the news on the television. Then Anandan asked, "Dad, what is this place? What are they doing?" asked Anandan. Dad replied, "This is Amar Jawan Jyoti, a memorial for the soldiers who died for our country. Every year, 7th December is observed as Armed Forces Flag Day. On that day, we remember the sacrifice of our soldiers for guarding our nation. It is a great honor to serve the nation by joining the army." Then Yarini proudly declared, "When I grow up, I'll join the army and serve the nation." Anandan said, "I will become a doctor and treat the people." Yarini asked, "Why don't you join the army and serve the nation like me?" Father intervened her and said, "Joining the army is not the only way to serve the nation. Each one of us can serve the nation in our own way." Yarini asked, "Really, Dad? How can we serve the nation?" Father said, "Serving in the army is a grace, but not everyone gets a chance to serve. But each of us has a role in our society, and by doing that role, we are serving our nation." Then Father continued, "I will tell you the story of Karumugilan. He was a doctor who died serving the people. He was young and talented. He went to USA for studying. His parents were very proud of him. They thought that he would live in the USA and continue his practice. But to everyone's surprise, he came back to India and started treating poor people free of cost." Father told the story about Karumugilan. Then Yarini asked, "Were his parents not angry with him?" Dad said, "They were angry, but they knew he was happy." One day, dengue broke out in the nearby villages. He left to those villages to treat the people. Who saved? Karumugilan. Yes, because Dad is saying the story about Karumugilan. So Karumugilan saved the lives of many. And then he was soon as well known in the village, and people poured in to get treated. But one day he got infected by the disease and was taken to the city hospital. So Karumugilan, he was in critical condition. His parents were upset and worried. That time Karumugilan told his parents that he had done his duty to the country and was happy. In a couple of days he died. In his memory, the people of village have built a hospital and treated people at free of cost. Then Yarini said, That's really great, Dad. He's a real hero. Like that, Yalini said. Father replied, each one of us should love and respect our country. We should treat everyone around us with love and respect. That's the real service to the nation. This is the story, children. What you are understanding from this story? Yes, each one of us should love and respect our country. We should treat everyone around us with love and respect. That is the real service of the nation. You understand, children? Do you like the story? Yes. Okay, children. We will see in the next class. Thank you, children.